Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। जी त अॼु असांजो पहिरियों लेक्चर इंटर मैथमेटिक जो आहे ऐं ही इंटर मैथमेटिक जे शागिर्दनि खे थोरो इंफॉर्मेशन ॾियूं था त घणे खां घणो ऑब्ज़र्वेशन वठी करे जेके बि मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन्स रिलेटेड आहिनि इंटर मैथमेटिक्स सां उन मुताबिक़ पंहिंजो कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर कयो। असुल छा आहे त कुझु स्टूडेंट्स जो इहो हिकिड़ो कॉन्सेप्ट आहे, ख़्यालु आहे त घणे खां घणा मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन यादि कजनि। हालांकि मल्टीपल चॉइस जो जेको रिलेशन आहे उहो आहे तव्हांजे मैथमेटिक्स जो कॉन्सेप्ट केतिरो क्लियर आहे। जेकॾहिं तव्हांजो हिकिड़ो कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर आहे त उन कॉन्सेप्ट मुताबिक़ तव्हांजा हज़ार MCQ हल थी सघनि था, पर जेकॾहिं तव्हांजो हिकिड़ो MCQ क्लियर आहे उहो हिकिड़ो MCQ ई तव्हां वटि हूंदो। पोइ इन करे कोशिशि इहा कयो त जेको तव्हांजो कॉन्सेप्ट हुजे उहो क्लियर हुजे। पोइ कॉन्सेप्ट थींदो आहे डीप ऑब्ज़र्वेशन में, घणे खां घणो पढ़ण में, घणो खां घणो होमवर्क करण में या घणे खां घणी प्रैक्टिस करण में तव्हांजो कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर थींदो। तो बिस्मिल्लाह रहमान रहीम। जीअं त इंटर मैथमेटिक में असांजो चैप्टर नंबर पहिरियों इंट्रोडक्शन आहे फंक्शन एंड लिमिट्स। हाणे फंक्शन एंड लिमिट्स में कुझु इंटरवल्स हूंदा नी, उन इंटरवल्स मुताबिक़ कुझु तव्हांखे नॉलेज हुजणु तमामु ज़रूरी आहे। त पहिरियों आहे असांजो, असां कॾहिं कॾहिं एक्सप्रेशन लिखंदा आहियूं A, B। हाणे जस्ट लाइक ही त ऑर्डर पेयर आहे। हाणे हिन नंढी ब्रेक जो मक़सदु इहो आहे त A, B जो मक़सदु आहे A खां वठी B ताईं, पर A ऐं B पाण न, पर्टिकुलर न। हिन जो मक़सदु आहे इंटरवल में A, B मीन्स X belongs to R such that A less than X, X less than B। मीन्स ही A खां B ताईं आहे, टोटल ओपन इंटरवल आहे, A खां B ताईं आहे, पर हिन में A ऐं B पर्टिकुलर न आहिनि। हिन खे चइबो आहे इज़ ओपन इंटरवल। नेक्स्ट आहे असांजी हीअ ब्रेक असां ॾींदा आहियूं, हे आहे A to B। हाणे A to B जो मक़सदु आहे A खां B ताईं, पर हिन में A ऐं B बि इंक्लूडेड आहिनि। हिन जो मक़सदु आहे A खां B ताईं पर A ऐं B न। हिन जो मक़सदु आहे A खां B ताईं पर A ऐं B बि शामिलु आहे। त हे असां लिखंदासीं X belongs to R such that A less than R equal to X, X less than R equal to B। हिन खे असां चई सघूं था त ही क्लोज़ इंटरवल आहे, इज़ क्लोज्ड इंटरवल। नेक्स्ट आहे असांजो A to B। हाणे माना बोथ ब्रैकेट्स आहिनि। A to B मीन्स A is included and B is open. So this will be X belongs to R such that A less than or equal to X, X less than B is known as semi-open, semi-closed interval। Again असां लिखंदा आहियूं A to B। ही A खां B ताईं, but B is included। This will be X belongs to R such that A less than X, X less than or equal to B, also known as semi-closed, semi-open, semi-closed, intervals. Next is, these are four relations. In addition, we can get also the results just like as, can create the relations just like as a comma infinity. Means this is the initial starting from a and approach is till in infinity, not included infinity. So we can relate this just like as x belongs to R, such that x is greater than a till infinity. In this bracket, the capital bracket just like a comma infinity means x belongs to R, a is greater than or equal to a, from a to onward. Minus infinity comma a means x belongs to R, x less than a means minus infinity to a, not greater than a means x less than a. Minus infinity to a, x belongs to R, x less than a, not greater than a. Okay. Binary relation. So what is the binary relation? You already know we can make the relation of any kind of operation between two or more than two sets. So here let a comma b be two non-empty sets, and R means the relation less than or equal to a Cartesian product B. Then R is called a binary relation in a Cartesian product B. For example, let a is equal to 1, 2, 3 and b is equal to a, b, c. Therefore, a Cartesian product B is equal to 1, a, 1, b, 1, c, 2, a, 2, b, 2, c, 3, a, 3, b, 3, c. Every order pair, just like 1, a, 1, b, 1, c up to end 3, c, is known as the relation. Therefore, every order pair is a relation of a Cartesian product B, which is known as the binary relation from A to B. Okay. Function. We already explained that one corresponding between two elements is called the binary relation. Now, the action of the relation is called the function. So, one corresponding between the domain and range is called binary relation. We consider that what kind of relation. So one corresponding between the domain and range is called the binary relation. On the behalf of relation, what happened? Means the action of relation. The action of relation is called the function. The action of the relation is called the function. Means, for example, f of x is equal to 3x plus 5. F of x is equal to 3x 5 means the relation of f of x with respect to 3x plus 5. Here f of 0 is equal to 5, f of 1 is equal to 8, f of minus 1 is equal to 2, f of minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So 0 and 5, the action of relation of 0 with respect to 5, 0 is the domain, 5 is the range. 1 is the domain, 8 is the range. Minus 1 is the domain, 2 is the range. Minus 2 is the domain, minus 1 is the range. So if I say that this is a to this is a B, from A there is 1, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2, the output is 5, 8, 2, minus 1. So there is the 1 corresponding between the domain and range. So f of x is equal to 3x plus 5 is known as the function. Therefore, f of x is equal to 3x plus 5 is called the function. Okay. Types of the function. First type is one-to-one function. A function f tends to a to b. The meaning of this statement is f tends to a to b, i.e. f tends to a to b. A function f tends to a to b is said to be one-to-one function if distinct elements of A have distinct images from B. One-to-one function is also called an injective function. For example, if f of x is equal to 2x minus 7 means f of x means the function of x. If function of x is equal to 2x minus 7, then f of 0 means is equal to minus 7. 2 into 0, 0, minus 7. F of 1, 1 into 2, 2, 2 minus 7, minus 5. F of 2, 2 to the 4, 4 minus 7 is equal to minus 3. F of 3, minus 1, 2, 3 the 6, 6 minus 7, minus 1. F of 4 is equal to 1, means here 0 tends to minus 7. There is a 1, 1 corresponding between 0 and 7, minus 7. 1 tends to minus 5, 2 tends to minus 3, 3 tends to minus 1, 4 tends to 1. This is a 1, 1 corresponding between the elements of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the elements minus 7, 5, minus 5, minus 3, minus 1, 1. So this kind of function is also known as the 1, 1 function. So here, if function tends to, f tends to a to b, f tends to a to b, your function is f of x is equal to 2x minus 7. F tends to a related to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The output is minus 7, minus 5, minus 3, minus 1, 1. So this type of function is also known as a 1, 1 function, and 1 to 1 function is also known as an injective function. Second is onto function. Onto function. A function is said to be an onto function if the range of the function is b. Means you can say that a function f tends to a to b. If the range of the function is b, then function is known as the onto function. Onto function is also called surjective function. मिसाल तौर for example, f of x is equal to x square plus 8. So therefore f of 0 is equal to 8, f of minus 1 is equal to 9, f of plus 1 is also 9, f of 2 is equal to 12, f of minus 2 is equal to 12. So here f tends to 8 be like tends to just like 0, minus 1, 1, 2, minus 2, 8, 9, 12. So 0 tends to 8, minus 1 tends to 9, plus 1 tends to 9, 2 tends to 12, minus 2 tends to 12. So here there's no any kind of 1 corresponding between the elements of A to B, but it's observed that the range of the function is B. Means this is not a 1 corresponding. This is also known as an onto function. So the range of the function is B. Therefore the function is called onto function. Function is called onto function. Okay. Now 1 onto function. One onto function. We also define two particular functions, 1 function and onto function. If we observe that the function play the role of particularly of 1 and onto, so in this condition we can say that this is a 1 function, this is onto function, play the role of 1 and onto. In both conditions we can say that this is a 1 and on function. A function is said to be 1 onto function if it play the role of 1 and onto. For example, or 1 onto function is known, is called bijective function. For example, if f of x is equal to 8x minus 1, therefore f of 0 is equal to minus 1, f of 1 is equal to 7, f of minus 1 is equal to minus 9. So here zero, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 7, minus 9. F tends to A to B tends to 8x minus 1. So here function follow both the definitions. Distinct elements have distinct images. Here it's a 1 function. The range of the function is B. The function is onto function. So here the function f of x is equal to 8x minus 1 play the role of both functions 1 and onto. Therefore it is called 1 onto function or bijective function. Now, next is into function. A function is said to be, misal, if we want to make the comparison between two functions a to b, so a function a to b is said to be an into function if the range of the function is the subset of b. Into function. A function if tends to a to b is called an into function if the range of the function is proper subset of B. Okay. Next is identity function. Identity function. A function is said to be an identity function if the domain and ranges are equal to each other. So, according to the definition, a function is said to be an identity function if the domain and range of the function is equal to each other. Equal to each other. For example, if f of x is equal to x, then f of 0 is equal to 0, f of 3 is equal to 3, f of n is equal to n. Means where you substitute the value of any real number, the output should be a same real number. So whatever the range, domain, that should be the range. If ranges and domains are equal to each other, the function is known as an identity function. So identity function I tends to A to B. This is 03n 03n. So ranges, domains are equal to each other. This function is also known as an identity function. Constant function. A function is said to be the constant function if the range of the function is consist on a single element. A function is said to be the constant function. A function is said to be the constant function if a range of the function is consist on a single element. For example, if the function of study means the domain is each student of the excellence school, each student have the range to go the excellence school, which is a single element. So for example, other example is जे असी शहर में वञूं था तो उते हिकिड़ो होको ॿुधूं था त बा हर माल 10 रुपया, हर माल 10 रुपया, हर माल 10 रुपया, मीन्स whatever the value, whatever the thing, but it consists on 10 rupees. So each thing is 10 rupees is a constant function. So for example, f tends to n to r is a constant function. F tends to n to r is also known as the constant function. For example, n r 1 natural, 2 natural, 3, 4, 5 up to natural, these all related to the real number. So 1, 2, 3 each real number should related to the, each natural number should relate to the real number. Every real number is not a natural number, but every natural number is a real number. This is also known as the constant function. This is also known as the constant function. Next is what is the inverse function? A function is said to be an inverse function if the range of the function is converted into the domain and the domain convert into the range. A function f of x, a function is said to be an inverse function if the range of function convert into the domain and domain convert into range. For example, if f of x is equal to 2x plus 3, then f inverse of x is equal to x minus 3 upon 2. So 2x plus 3 and x minus 3 upon 2 are two inverse functions to each other. For example, f of x is equal to 2x plus 3, f of 0 is equal to 3, f of 1 is equal to 5, f of 2 is equal to 7. Similarly, if inverse of 3 is equal to 3 minus 3 upon 2 is equal to 0 upon 2 is equal to 0. If inverse of 5 is equal to 5 minus 3 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. If inverse of 7 is equal to 7 minus 3 upon 2 is equal to 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. So here this is the function f tends to a to b, like 0 1 2 3 5 7. Here if inverse tends to a to b, three 5 7 1 0 1 2. Whatever the domain, here it's the range. Whatever the range, here is a domain. So after comparison, here the domain of the function is the range of the second function. Range of the first function is the domain of the first function. In this connection, we can say that this function is also known as the inverse function of this one, and this function is also known as the inverse function of this one. So therefore f of x and f inverse of x are inverse functions to each other. Now let the MCQ. If function of x is equal to 2x plus 5, then what should be the value of inverse of x? Inverse of x is equal to 2x minus 5 upon 2, x minus 5 upon 3, x minus 5 upon 5, or x minus 5 upon 2. So here, if we substitute the direct value, suppose on the value of 0, solution, little bit solution, it's given that f of x is equal to 2x plus 5. So you know that f of 0 is equal to 5. If we substitute the value of 0 in the function, the output is 5. So if we put the 5 into the inverse function, if the result should be 0, then should be the correct answer. Suppose 5, 2, 5 the 10, 10 minus 5, 5 upon 2 is not equal to 0. So this is not the option, correct option. Here 5 minus 5 upon 3 means 0 upon 3. Here this can be 5 minus 5, this also can be 5 minus 5. So these three options are related for the f inverse of x. So if there is a contradiction between the options, then change the value. So f of 1 is equal to 7. So that should be the function after the substituting of 7. If the range is 1, that should be the correct. Here 7 minus 5, 2 upon 3 not equal to 1. So this is also wrong, this is also wrong. Here 7 minus 5, 2 upon 5 not equal to 1. This is also wrong. 7 minus 5, 7 means 5 means 2. 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. If one domain declare range 7, here 7 domain declare range 1, this is the anomalous function. So x means 5 upon 2 is correct answer.